Hey loves, it's yours truly, Zazira Cordovana, and I want to teach you the beauty of my language. Um, Atlantean has many different sounds, over 70 sounds and many variations of those sounds. I'm not going to go into detail about that because that would require a whole hour, 2 hours to even explain it. But I just want to show you the beauty of this language and how the slightest difference in pronunciation of a word can really change the meaning of a word. More, black, darkness, shadow. More, the act of rising from the darkness. More, the act of falling into darkness. More, to be enraptured by darkness, evil. More, the state of being haunted, distressed, or surrounded by evil. More, the act of wandering in the darkness. More, coming from the darkness. More, deep within the darkness. More, dark, ominous storm, or it can also mean an omen of coming darkness. More, the scent after a heavy rain. So, can you hear the difference between these two words? More, 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 more. This symbolizes a more open O. So you have O and O and O. More, more. Deep sorrow. Mur, mur. Overshadowed. This word is more, more. When you see the tilde over a vowel, it means that is nasalized. So, o and on, more. This means being overshadowed with deep fear or emotional distress. Mur, mur means bitter water or sour water. Oh, that's it for today.